Tomb Raider 1, 2 and 3 Remastered. Today guys we have special reward on Epic Games. Best game in this year. What Epic Games give us? Just like this video, share with your friend and enjoy this, and I show you how to get this. Okay guys, all you need to do, just open your Epic Games launcher today like me and move here to store, scroll here down and you will see Tomb Raider 1, 2 and 3 Remastered. Get 3 games of Tomb Raider. Just click on it and you will see here get and go here place order. After you do that you will see all it's yours. Just view in library and you have Tomb Raider 1, 2 and 3 Remastered Edition for free today. Install game and enjoy it with your friends. And that's it all guys for this video, how to get 3 games today on Epic Games Tomb Raider Remastered starring Lara Croft. If you find this guide useful, like and subscribe to the channel and I see you in the next video.